Now to save some time, I've gone ahead and populated a couple other triggers. I've got some sword stabs, guys grunting, sword swooshes, body falls on wood, as well as a couple different footsteps. Now we could go back to the beginning and I could scrub through slowly by pressing the arrow keys until I find the moment where they clash swords, and I could press 4 for the whoosh, 6 for the clash, and 5 for the guys grunting. Or to speed things up just a little bit, we could go to the beginning and I could press the L key to play at 1/3 speed and press all of those numbers as I see them happening. Or I could press L again and do it at half speed. But with just a little bit of practice in Audio Design Desk, we can actually go even faster. We can perform and create all of our Foley for this scene in real time.